Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Face ID and that True Depth camera is unobstructed. Once done, unlock Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode. Make sure to hold the phone at eye level and position your face inside the frame. This ensures accurate depth mapping. You will start the first scan immediately, so move slowly and keep expressions neutral. Once the first pass completes, the system prompts a second scan to refine the data for consistent unlocking across angles. You proceed to the detailed scanning step. Follow on-screen circular motion prompts. During the first scan, move only your head within the circle. This captures frontal geometry. Make sure to keep the phone about arm's length away. Once prompted for the second scan, slowly tilt and rotate your head to capture side angles and depth. This improves reliability when your face is viewed at different orientations. If you have glasses, perform scans with and without them to let Face ID learn both appearances. You finish by enabling Face ID for iPhone Unlock, App Store, Apple Pay, and other features as needed. Toggle options in the Face ID settings. Once done, test unlocking across indoor and outdoor lighting and from slight angles to confirm reliability. Make sure attention aware is set if you want eye detection. If Face ID fails repeatedly, reset Face ID and repeat the two-scan process. Also clean the True Depth area and remove screen protectors that might interfere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.